Okay, the battery is charged up all the way. I think that's what that green light means. Yeah, okay. So, let's test it though. Okay, yep, 58 volts. That is good. Ho ho. Let's go. Okay, so things I've done since last time. Put this guard thing on because you got a really fast chain going there, and it would hurt your leg if it got caught. Also, you can't see right here. Here we go. I put some unistrut here so I can move this forward and backwards. It's got some so I can tighten it and then move it if I need to add more tension. So that's a lot better because now the chain is like really tight, which is good. So let's put the battery on. I still don't know where that key thing boy went, so yeah, we have this thing still. Here, let's try it. Okay, stress test number 1. Okay, so I just got my phone hooked up with an app, and it'll show the distance I've gone, and then also the speed, and the max speed there is just, I don't know, it warns you, but I'm not gonna hit 60. And then I got another camera here looking at me, so yeah, let's go. Okay, we're going to do another hill. We just passed one hill. Let's go, second hill. Pick up speed. Now, because this is a pretty big hill. That's cool, we got another one coming. Ugh. Hello. Good. You're good? Yeah, I'm good. Okay. It's an electric.
What's that?
I made it electric.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so I'm testing out the range, but it's good still.
Okay, good.
Yeah, yeah. What a guy! Okay, we got a pretty big hill there. I'm gonna see if I can hit the max now. Like 50 or something, I don't know. I'm gonna back it up first, gotta run at it. Okay, let's stop here and check the voltage, because if it's less than like a lot, then I have to restart or push it. Okay, what's the volts? 56! That's amazing! It only dropped 2 volts. And probably the limit is about like 48-ish. It's gonna need amperage, so that's pretty good. And I've only gone 4 kilometers. Look at that. 4 kilometers. So let's finish. Let's look at the distance. Okay, so we got 11 kilometers. So that's pretty good so far. I'm gonna check the battery. Motor is pretty hot, but the wires aren't actually that hot. So that's good, maybe? The motor controller isn't that hot either. Okay, you can see the voltage. Positive, negative. 54! That's pretty good. 11 kilometers. Oh yeah. Yeah. Okay, so I can go, we got 11 kilometers right now. Let's see if we can do 15. That's backwards. We're at 3. I don't know if you can see that. 3.869 kilometers. Sorry, kilometer. Party tank! We have party tank! Uh-oh. Something popped. I'm gonna hope that was... That's not that hot. Breaker. Let's try it. Fuck. Something blew. Okay, well so far we got 14.28 kilometers. That's still connected, that's still connected, that's still connected. This is in. Let's disconnect it. I don't have the voltage going on. Oh, it was right when we hit 46 too. Well, something went pop. Yeah, I don't know. I think like the controller or something, just something blew on it. Or maybe there's a fuse in there that popped, but I don't know. My breaker didn't pop. Let's check the battery anyways. See where that's at. Because we went 14 something before the thing happened. And then I had to push it back 1.5K. That was fun. Let's test the battery. Because maybe it's just the battery that's dead. No, it's at 53. 53, that's pretty good. That means it can go like, let's say 15, 16. Round it up to 17.5K range. But probably more. Yeah, I could probably go up to like 20K. Let's say 20K. It went 20K. Let's just pretend it didn't pop. Anyway, I'm gonna have to fix that now. Or buy a new controller. So that's fun. Stay tuned for the next one, which might not be for a while, depending on how easy this is to fix. See ya! So I took this thingy off, and you can hear that? Yeah, there's something in there now that's loose that wasn't before. So that means I'm gonna take this apart. Okay,